Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements, and right now we'll be discussing about the HTML semantic element. Semantic element is equal to elements with a meaning. What are semantic elements? A semantic element clearly describes its meaning to both the browser and the developer. Examples of non-semantic elements are div element and also span element and so on. Span element tells nothing about its content, and also the div element tells nothing about its content. That's why they are non-semantic elements. Examples of semantic element is form element, table element, and also article element. Article element clearly defines its content, and also the table element clearly defines its content. Form element also clearly defines its content. That's why they are what? Semantic elements. Anwar akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. I don't want this tutorial to get too long. That's why I'm going to stop right here. You can meet us on our playlist. We have this full playlist on HTML semantic element is where we are right now. So you can follow along. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and to the next. Bye bye.